Hey guys, welcome to FoodStaKenya, powered by Actilife for an active life. Have you had your daily dose of Actilife? If not, go and grab it right away. And today's episode is very interesting. Got a very cool hamper over here, and this one is courtesy of Chocoholicaffair and Biscoff Kenya. Yep, the Lotus Biscoff are finally in Kenya. Can't wait to dig in and let you know the honest opinion about the taste of this. I'm really excited about especially the Biscoff Spread and the biscuits as well. As for now, we're going to a quick short commercial break. We come back right after this. Awesome guys, there you go. Oh, this goodies. By the way, this hamper is what, about 5K, so if you want to grab it for yourself. There's Rolo, I mean, look at that, man. Rolo looks really good. One of my favorite chocolates since childhood. My late dad used to give it that. Oh dang, look at that, man. Pretty cool stuff over here. Got the milk caramel as well. M&M's. Who doesn't love M&M, man? Everybody loves M&M. Twirl. Pretty cool. And there comes the Lion full pack. Nice. Crunchie. Oh, that's my son's favorite. Really awesome, this one. But the big boys that we really want to try are the Lotus Biscoff. You know, they have been in operation since 1932, originally from Belgium. And you know, Belgium and Switzerland, when it comes to chocolate and all, they're supposed to be the best. Lotus Biscoff Spread. That's awesome. Is this actually better than Nutella or what? We find out. And there's a cute card. Nice. Let's see what the card has got to say. Chocoholicaffair. Okay. Let's see what the card says. It says, oh, nice. Excellent. Yeah, so cool, man. Just love what they've written over here. It says, Dear Shaheed Ali Khan, we hope this hamper finds you in good health. Yes, indeed. Thank you. I'm in good health. I hope you are well and safe as well. Do enjoy our goodies. All our products are authentic from the UK. We are looking forward to seeing what you will come up with. Okay, from Mohammed, that's the Lotus Biscoff Kenya, and ArehWah, who's from Chocoholicaffair. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Awesome, and thank you so much once again for all these goodies. Let's indulge. Welcome back, guys. FoodSta powered by Actilife, and today's goodies hamper courtesy of Chocoholicaffair and Biscoff Kenya. Watch till the end. I'll tell you my honest review about these biscuits and the spread. As for now, you know how it is. Treat bag, M&M's. You know what? You gotta love M&M's. These are a classic, but these are the crunchy versions. Should I open them? Should I not open them? Yeah, heck, let me just show you how they are. You know. I know most of you have eaten. If you haven't had an M&M, then you don't know what dessert is all about. So now come closer so you can actually see this. Look at that. Oh, there you go. This is what M&M's are all about, guys. These are crunchy. Nice. Really good stuff. Classics, M&M's, man. Oh, this is the DAIM, you know. Okay, the DAIM. So 3-pack. Oh, nice. What? I've never had this one, by the way. But must be really good. That's why I guess I must have spent it. It's hard, I guess, but this is not what we're here for, though. But Hershey's, actually, it's Hershey's. I always like saying it the other way around. Sprinkles and cream, strawberries and cream. Oh, looks really good, you know. Rolo is my classic. As I told you, you know, my late dad used to bring these for me. And do you love anyone enough? Yes, this is for my dad, man. You know, I love Rolo, and wow, 3 in 1, excellent. Actually, it's 4 in 1. Yeah, I think I need my dose of Actilife to get my energy back and focus. Lion, Choco. Whoa, these are classics, man. Again, 4 in 1 over here. Oh yeah, look at this, man. Caramel, dairy milk. We all know about this one, you know. So Twirl, another classic. This is like, wow, man. Love the purple color. And this is not 4 in 1, this is 5 in 1, yeah. Crunchie, there you go. By the way, you know, normally with these products, people always say, you know what, you gotta look at the expiry date. So, you know, Chocoholicaffair, Pole, but I have to mention it to them. So let's see the expiry date. If it's, you know, generally they say once the expiry date is closer, it becomes a bit cheaper and all that stuff. But I'm gonna tell you honestly what's the expiry date of this one's. I like what's written here. It says, obey your mouth. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. Crunchie, I was checking the expiry date. It's the 18th of October, 18th of 10, 2021. So that's a good time. Let me pick another one, the Rolo. Let's see, what's this one? This one says 1st of 2022. So that's really, really far away. Now guys, coming to the big boy over here, you know, the Biscoff Spread. These guys have been there since 1932, and as I was telling you earlier on, you know, Belgium is known for goodies and chocolates, you know, and they say the Biscoff products are supposed to be very tasty, very sugary, and very crunchy as well. And guess what? Now they are all here in Nairobi, Kenya, courtesy of Biscoff Kenya. You can check them out on Instagram. It's Lotus Biscoff Kenya. Now, time for the honest review of this. Okay guys, Lotus Biscoff. This is a 250 gram bag. Oh, look at that. Love it, love it. Crunchy, very crunchy. It's nice, it's different. You know, Mohammed, the guy of Lotus Biscoff, was telling us that you can actually have it as a snack alone, but many people like to, you know, make powder of it and use it into desserts and ingredients in cakes and other specialties. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, the taste is really good. I'm sure this will go down pretty well with my coffee and tea. It's a bit crunchy, you know, the biscuit is very, not even a bit, it's extremely crunchy. It's not like the other biscuits you get, you know, very soggy and, you know, they just tend to crumble down. This one you have to break it down yourself, and it's very sweet as well. Too much sweet for my palate, but I'm sure sweet lovers are going to love it. And, you know, you can even see the granules of the sugar once you crack one open. I'm actually going to just show you one right now. Look at that, you know, when you just crack one open, look at that. You can actually see, I don't know if the camera can capture it, but you can actually see sugar granules inside this. So you can imagine how sweet this is, but nevertheless, very tasty. And the legendary Biscoff Bickies are now available in Nairobi, Kenya. The spread. Wow. Let's do this. Okay. Look at that, man. Ooh, that looks nice. I've seen people actually melt it in the microwave before using it as a syrup or making it in their milkshakes and all that stuff, you know. And it says here no colors and no added flavors, and it's suitable for vegans and vegetarians as well. It's pretty awesome. Let me dig into this, see how, oh, it's very smooth, very smooth, as you can see. You know, I'm just picking it up. Extremely smooth. It just comes out nicely. Really cool, man. Oh, this is caramel heaven. I'll tell you that much, man. You know, it's like full caramel pleasure. If you love your caramel, you're gonna love this, man. Is it better than Nutella? Well, we'll leave that story for another day. I know some guys were asking, you know, which one, Nutella or Biscoff. Maybe one day we are gonna compare both of them and let you know. But yeah, the spread is really nice. You can have it on your bread, or you know, on your toast for breakfast. Spread it in your mochas or, you know, milkshakes and anything. There's lots you can do with this. That's what I really like about it. Like, there's a lot that can be done with the Lotus Biscoff. And that's it, guys. Asante sana. Time for me to move on to my Actilife. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. It's FoodStaKenya powered by Actilife. And today, once again, the hamper proudly brought to you by Lotus Biscoff Kenya and Chocoholicaffair. Thanks so much for all these goodies. You know what? I'm gonna add a couple of kilos, but I'll also burn it out. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.